Good morning, everyone. Welcome back for another video. If you can hear the washer in the background, it's because I am doing laundry and I'm in the kitchen filming today. Why am I in the kitchen and not sitting on the floor? It's because I'm doing a DIY Dollar Tree planner. Yes, I'm finally doing it DIY instead of just haul after haul after haul. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this DIY Dollar Tree planner. Now, if you saw in my last Dollar Tree haul, which I will link down below, I mentioned how I got all these items at Dollar Tree. Folders, paper, stickers, binder, all of it. And it is floral theme. So, I've taken everything, they're all wrapping off, so we won't have to deal with that. So, let's just go through every item real quick, and then just build our planner. So firstly, we have these magnetic bookmarks. You can get them anywhere, but we got these at Dollar Tree for $1. And then we have these stickers. It just came in a 2-pack. More stickers. More stickers, because we like stickers. And like I said, all of this is a floral theme because that's what the Dollar Tree had. And we even have this band to help us close our binders, our planners. It says Dream for Days. I really liked it, and it's pink. And then we have 2 packs of these floral folders and dividers. So there's that. And just the note pages, the binder itself, to-do list, and the planner itself. So, I have 2 packs of the planner. It should be good for like an entire year. We will find out then. So, we're going to open it up. And let's get started. I'm going to put my Let's Do This in front. And as you look at it, it says we have errands, chores, appointments, and miscellaneous. There's nothing on the back. And you can put the date so you can have a better look if you don't have enough room in your planner, so you can really know the main points of your day. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the front of my planner. That way I know that I can just grab that and go to the weekly view, and then voila, I have my list and I can put my planner. Next, I'm going to take this folder, and it's going to be the second one in there, so we can divide and for our next section. And these do have pockets, so you can put like stickers, appointment cards, that sort of thing in there. And then we have our 2 packs of our weekly, which we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then Thursday through Sunday with a little notes page. So let's separate it so we can put them in section by section. And then I'm going to use this divider next, and like I said, it's pocket and it's nice floral. And then after that, I'm going to put my notes, just a note in here, along with the last 2 dividers. So there we go on that. Now we'll get back to this in a second. We have some stickers. Now you can put them in like your sticker organizer, or you can put them in your binder. I'm probably gonna put mine right here because that's where they fit in the side. And then I want to put my magnetic bookmarks right here as well. That way whenever I need them for my planner, I can have them right here and everything will be a-okay. As they all, and if you look, they're gonna slide. So there is our planner. Not bad, not bad. And lastly, I'm going to take the planner band. Yes, that's what I was thinking of earlier. And I'm going to put it right here to keep it closed. Now this is a simple DIY Dollar Tree planner. If you want to see me decorate it or like get on full decoration instead of just being simple, let me know. I hope you like this DIY. If you want more Dollar Tree DIYs, just comment, subscribe, and like this video, and let me know, and I'll do it. I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.